Hey guys, today we're at Baulkham Hills removing 2 monster dying blackbutts. We've got a 6-man crew and an Avant to move the wood. We've got a 1590 chipper to chip the foliage, and we've got another truck out the front to load the logs in. It's a very technical job because every piece that comes down is going to be a massive piece, so the ropesman and the climber have to be really on the ball today. We've had to set up some technical rigging systems to make our lives easier on the ground. All the pieces coming down will be using the GRCs to take the weight, and the boys in the Avant are to get the material to our truck. We have to be very careful of the customer's rose arbor, as it's very important to him. But we're used to this and we're all over it. Just another day for Shane's trees.